In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Tiltify fundraiser with alert systems to keep your audience engaged and informed. It's a straightforward process, but staying attentive to the details will ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive in and start by accessing your Tiltify dashboard. This is your control center where all your fundraising campaigns are displayed and managed. Make sure you're logged into your Tiltify account as this is essential to proceed with the setup. Once you're on the Tiltify dashboard, take a moment to browse through your ongoing and past campaigns. This is a great way to quickly check your stats and keep track of how each one is doing. For today's integration process, you need to select the fundraiser campaign you want to connect with alert systems, so carefully click on the campaign you have in mind. This action will direct you to the specific page detailing all the elements of that fundraising campaign. Now that you've chosen your campaign, direct your attention towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll spot the menu. This menu is your navigation tool, providing access to various functions and settings for your campaign. We're particularly interested in the section that relates to integrations or connection options. Carefully locate this section. Sometimes it might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually related to extending or enhancing the functionality of your campaign. Once you click on integrations or the corresponding menu item, you'll be presented with several options. These might include integrations with streaming services or third-party applications, but for this demonstration, we're focusing on the API integration. Now here's where it gets really crucial. You need to find the API token or the specific link provided by Tiltify intended for alerts. The API token acts like a digital key, allowing different systems to communicate and synchronize data effectively and securely. Carefully locate and copy your Tiltify API token or the link, depending on your browser. This might be as simple as highlighting the text and using a copy command, right-clicking for example, or using the shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C. Just be cautious with this information, as sharing the API token with unauthorized parties could lead to security issues with your account. And there you have it. A seamless integration with your alert systems using Tiltify token or link. Whether you're using this for alerting your community on Twitch, YouTube, or other platforms, this step allows you to effectively communicate real-time updates during your fundraising events. Remember, keeping your audience informed not only builds trust but potentially boosts engagement and donations. Happy fundraising, and